Welcome to our tutorial on analyzing financial data using Java. In this video, we will learn how to collect, process, and analyze financial datasets. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have the knowledge to create your own financial data analysis applications. To start, let's set up our development environment. Make sure you have JDK installed. We'll use Apache Maven for dependency management, so if you haven't set that up, please check the official Maven website for installation instructions. Create a new Maven project. Open your terminal and run the following command to create a new project structure. Now, navigate into your project directory. Open the pom.xml file and add the necessary dependencies for Apache Commons CSV or similar libraries for parsing CSV files. We will also include a library for data manipulation like Apache Commons Math or similar for our analysis. After that, we need to create a directory for our main Java files. Let's create the necessary directory structure for our source code. In this tutorial, we'll be working with a sample CSV file containing stock prices. Let's create a file called stockprices.csv in the root of our project and populate it with some sample data. Now that we have our environment set up, let's start coding. We will create a class to handle reading the CSV data. Create a new Java file named csvreader.java in src/main/java/com/financial data. We also need to create the stock data class to represent each data entry in our CSV file. Create a new file named stockdata.java. With our CSV reader and data model in place, we can begin analyzing the stock market data. We will implement a method to calculate the average closing price. First, create a new class named financeanalyzer.java. Don't forget to create getter methods in the stock data class to access the close price. Now, let's create our main application class to tie everything together. Now, let's run our application and check the output to see if we've successfully calculated the average closing price. Open your terminal and execute the following command. You should see the average closing price displayed in the terminal window. This is the first step in your financial data analysis journey. Next, we can improve our analysis by adding more functionalities like finding the highest stock price and the volume traded. Let's add a method to calculate the highest closing price. In financeanalyzer.java, add the following method, and update the main method to call this new function and display the highest closing price. Run the application again to see the highest closing price now displayed in the console. If done correctly, you should now have two statistical insights from your data, the average closing price and the highest closing price. Next, let's compute the overall trading volume. For that, we'll add another method to our Finance Analyzer class. As before, we need to update the main method to call this new function. Don't forget to print out the total trading volume as well. Run the application once more, and you should see the total trading volume displayed correctly. We've created a simple financial data analysis application that provides insights on average, highest closing prices, and total trading volume. However, there's more we can do. For instance, we can visualize this data using libraries like JFreeChart. To use JFreeChart, you first need to add it to our Maven dependencies. Let's add the dependency to our pom.xml. Next, we will create a method to visualize the closing prices over time. Modify your financeanalyzer.java to include this new method. Lastly, update your main method to call the createChart method after loading the data. When you run the application this time, you should see a graphical representation of the stock's closing prices over time. This is the beneficial part of data visualization. As we wrap up this tutorial, let's summarize what we've achieved. We built a financial data analysis application that reads CSV data, performs calculations for stock prices, and visualizes them using a chart. You should be able to extend this application by adding more analytical features. Consider integrating other financial metrics like moving averages or timeframes. Don't forget to check for updates to the libraries and improve your project structure over time. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content on programming and software development. Have a great day.